What's going on, everybody? My name is Kellen Chafin, one of the co-founders of Digital Freedom Movement. In this Tuesday Tech Trading, I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step how to register with Amazon, how to choose a product or service to sell and market. As well, I'm going to be talking a little bit about low, medium, high ticket sales and kind of how that works. So if you're experienced or you're intermediate or you're a beginner, this will definitely be beneficial for you to watch. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do, if you wanted to affiliate with Amazon, if you wanted to do low ticket sales, is become affiliated. So I'm going to show you how to do that. As a lot of you guys already know, majority of my income is made on medium and high ticket sales because the margins are a lot higher. But everybody knows Amazon, so I'm going to use this as an example. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, pull up your Google or Bing or whatever you use, type in Amazon affiliate program. Okay. And so if you live in the United States, obviously you're going to choose .com. If you're a Canadian, you're going to choose .ca. So just click on right here. Okay, and this will take you over to Amazon. You'll see a button that says join now for free. Join, advertise, earn. Get up to 10% in advertising fees or in advertising commissions. Okay, so click join now for free. Awesome. You can log into your Amazon account. I'm not actually going to go through this particular part with you guys. It's really, really basic. But two things that were a bit of a pain in the ass when I literally just created another account is you have to put in a website. Amazon wants to know where you're going to be advertising their products. If you do not have a blog or a website or any sales funnels built, you can simply, really, really easy workaround, just use a Facebook business page. It takes like 5 seconds to create one on Facebook and it's free. Okay, once you've created that business page, just copy the business page URL up at the top here, implant it, good to go. The other thing, guys, is you need to create a store reference ID. When I was creating my brand new account that I just did earlier today, I thought I needed one previous. That's not the case. You literally create your own. Okay, awesome. So once you've done that and you have an associates account or an affiliate account with Amazon, you now have access to all of their products and services, as well as you get access to custom links for every single product or service. Okay, before we dive into that and choosing a product, I'm going to go over a bit of their commission structure. Okay, so as I've said before, Amazon pays out anywhere from 0% from gift cards to a maximum of 10% commission on luxury beauty products or Amazon coins. I have no idea what an Amazon coin is, but cool. Okay, so if you take a quick look, furniture, home improvement stuff, lawn garden, 8%, headphones, beauty, musical instruments, business and industrial supplies, 6%, so on and so forth. Now, when choosing a product or service to sell or to market, you want to get as much commission as possible. Okay, because if you're, I'm just going to use TVs and digital video games as an example here. If you're making a 2% commission, let's say you're going to market a digital video game, let's say it's $100, you make the sale, it means you're going to make $2. You're going to make $2 off of a sale. If you're running $5 a day into advertising, paid ads for that product, that means you need to sell 3 a day minimum and you'll make $1. Okay, you need to move a lot of product to make a lot of money. Okay, so try to keep your percentages up. It allows you to have bigger margins and in turn make a bigger profit. Okay, awesome. So let's go over here to Amazon, and what we're going to do is we are going to browse products. Okay, so here's all the different categories that they have. I have no idea what to choose here. I don't want this to be a 14-hour video, so I'm going to choose electronics. Awesome. So now I have access to every single product that Amazon has, and what I want to do is I want to get a link for it. Okay, you can use a long link, doesn't matter, or you can use a short link. Okay, let's do these. I don't know. Oh, fire sticks. Awesome. These are badass. If you guys don't have them, fire sticks are epic. Okay, so awesome. That's what I want to sell. That's what I want to market today. So I'm going to shorten the URL. Here's my affiliate link. Okay, now if anybody ever online sees this link and they click on it and they go over to Amazon and they buy it with this link, I will make money. I get paid because they used my link to do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link. Okay, and now So this is what I want to sell or market. And now I need to build an ad campaign for this product or service. So I'm going to come over here to my ads manager. This is located in the Facebook ads manager. I get this question a lot. This does not cost money. This is free. When you start running advertising on Facebook, Facebook gives this to every single person. Okay, it's don't have to pay for it. It's not fancy. Okay, I'm going to come here. I'm going to click create. All right, I'm going to make a new campaign. I'm going to create a brand new one. Now we come down to campaign objectives. Okay, these are the different objectives that you can run your campaign for. If you're confused, good, because if you understood this, you're already in marketing. Okay, so let me just go through a few of these. If I chose to run my ad for engagement, this means that Facebook is going to put my ad campaign in front of people that they know engage with advertising. And engagement is a like, it's a comment, it's a click of a button, it's watching a video more than 3 seconds, so on and so forth. If I choose to run my ad for website conversions or conversions, Facebook's going to show my ad to people that they know convert to go to other websites, or that put in credit card information into websites, or that buy products and services from websites. So for this example, I'm going to run a conversions ad, obviously, and as well, you guys can get breakdowns here. Great, awesome. So continue. Okay, great. I'm going to name this campaign Fire Stick, Amazon Fire Stick. Great. Okay, awesome, nice and simple. I very seldom put on campaign budget optimization. This is too advanced. We're not even going to touch on that on this one. Okay, you're going to want to choose an event. So these are the different things that you can choose to make your targeting more specific. Okay, so initiate checkout. As shown right here, it says the start of a checkout process. So obviously I don't run ads for this one, especially from Amazon, but this might be something you'd want to start with. Okay, so if you do this, Facebook will show your ads to more people that initiate the checkout process on websites. What you could do is target these specific people. You know they don't mind putting their information in a website, and then what you could do is you'll probably get a bunch of buyers, and if they don't buy, you can run a retargeting campaign later once you've collected more data. Again, we're getting way too advanced for this video. I'm just going to choose that as my objective or optimization. Okay, awesome. To start off this one off, I'm going to run $5.50 a day into it. So a lot of people, I get the question all the time. They're like, Kellen, how much do you have to spend on Facebook ads? Your budget's up to you. It could be $1 a day. It could be $1 million a day. It doesn't matter. I'm going to choose $5.50. Okay, don't schedule an end date. Great, awesome. I'm going to hit people in Canada, United States. Great. I'm going to target people, I don't know, that are 20 years old to, I want these people to be kind of techie. So I'm going to go up to 45. I don't think a 65-year-old lady is going to want to buy an Amazon Fire Stick. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think so. Great. Okay, now I'm going to do my detailed targeting, guys. So these are you can target anything within this. This could be interests, behaviors, job titles, demographics, like it just keeps going, employers. All right, so if I wanted to sell this Fire Stick, obviously I'm going to want to hit people that are interested in TV, or maybe people that already have an Amazon account. So let's see what Facebook has for targeting on Amazon that own a Kindle Fire. Sure. Okay, if someone owns an Amazon-made product already, Amazon makes some pretty epic products. I think they'd be more likely to buy another type of Amazon product. So we could be on something here. Amazon Kindle, sure. Let's see what else. I want more Amazon products. People that are interested in Amazon. Okay, I wonder if we got Fire Stick on here. Amazon Fire TV. Great. What else I could do? I could add in people that are interested in Netflix, because Fire Sticks are very, very similar. Or if you guys don't know what a Fire Stick is, it turns any regular TV into a smart TV, as well as there's specific apps that come with a Fire Stick, just so you guys know. So I don't know, maybe people that like to watch Netflix. Great. This could go on and on. This can get very, very complicated. But as is right now, I have an 88 million potential reach. That means there's 88 million people that meet my criteria so far that could potentially see the ad. Facebook as well is telling me that for my budget, $5.50, I will hit anywhere from 370 minimum to a maximum of 1.1K. with up to about 10 conversions on average. It's just, or 10 people that will initiate checkout. That's an average, just doesn't mean it's gonna happen. Could be more, could be less. Okay, awesome. Guys, this little box right here, this is kind of a way for Facebook to take your money. This will, if I have this box on, it doesn't mean my detailed targeting will be accurate. It means that Facebook will show my advertising to people that have interest in similar things. Doesn't mean it's these things in specific. Okay. Placement. So this is where my ad's going to show up on Facebook. I've always got the best results from Facebook feeds. I feel like a lot of these other options are, you get fairly lower quality traffic. So for this example, I'm going to run my advertising not on Instagram. I'm going to go Facebook newsfeed, Facebook Marketplace. Not going to do video feeds. I'm going to run it on Facebook stories, Messenger stories, and I'm going to remove everything else. This is just what I've seen results in myself. Awesome. We're not even going to mess with bidding. Okay. Awesome. I'm just going to make my set. So I went Canada, I went USA, and I went people that were 20 to 45 interest in Fire Stick and Netflix. Perfection. Next. Okay, so all my targeting and stuff is finished. Now I need to create a campaign. You can do this two ways. You can create something called a ghost campaign. That means that's not posted on your business page. A lot of my advertising is done this way, so the other people can't steal it, or that other people don't know what I'm selling. That works really, really well. Or you can use existing posts. So this means if you've already posted it on your business page, you can simply boost it off of there. But for this example, I'm gonna just create an ad. So I'm gonna want some information about this product. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm going to take this image, or I could find a different image. Again, to keep this video short, I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit. I'm not giving it all to you. I wanna take this. Okay, save as Fire Stick image 1. Great. Let's see, and then they do have a few other ones too. Actually, this one might work well. Beautiful. I don't know, I think this one has more information direct. So like, I'm thinking if I'm a consumer and I'm scrolling Facebook and I see this ad campaign, if I have no idea what this is, I'll probably just browse past it. But if I see something that I'm aware of, like something that I'm familiar with, like Prime Video or Netflix or YouTube, I might, look into it a little bit more. Okay. So I'm going to use this image. Obviously, I'm going to want information about the product. This I might put in the funnel. Okay, guys. So there's a little. Actually, you know what? I'm rushing it here. Sorry. Let me get back. Let's do one thing at a time here. So we are going to add media. We're going to add an image. Great. Okay, there's my image. You can add headlines. You can add links. You can add descriptions. You can add buttons. Okay. So again, I'm not going to take forever just typing this out, but just done like a dummy campaign mock-up. This is just like, this took me literally 1 minute to write. You can get way more creative than this, and you should be getting a lot more creative than this. But anyways, I kept it nice and simple. I was like, getting tired of your same old shows. It's time for an upgrade, right? So if I'm like, what does that mean? It might intrigue me to move forward with the ad campaign. As well, in your headline here, I put broaden your watching experience. Okay, so this might appeal to some people that don't know what a Fire Stick is or what it does, and it's a really, really cool piece of technology. So, and then for the button here, I'm going to put a Shop Now button on it, or you could choose no button. Okay, now on this button, the Shop Now button, you need to have a website URL or a link in there. Now, all you guys are thinking, oh, Kel, I know what you're going to do next. You're going to put your affiliate link in there. Wrong. I am not. And the reason why you cannot put your Amazon affiliate link in there is you are not allowed to go directly from Facebook to Amazon to buy the product or service. You will be shut down by Amazon as well. You will be shut down by Facebook. So, Kellen, what do you do then? How do you work around that? You need a website or something called a sales funnel. Okay. A sales funnel takes someone from being interested in a product or service to actually buying a product or service. If you guys want to know what a sales funnel is, how it looks like, and what it looks like, and how to build them, I'm going to be showing you that step by step on the next Tech Talk on Tuesday. All right, thank you for everybody who watched. If you guys got value, please like, comment, share this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hope you're excited. What's going on, guys? Kellen Chafe here. I'm one of the co-founders of DFM, or Digital Freedom Movement. If you got value from that video, please like, subscribe, and as well, you'll see 2 links below. One of them is for our free open group on Facebook, where you can request to join. We'll give you guys free value and content, as well as there is a link below for our masterclass that you can watch. That'll give you more detail on high-ticket affiliate marketing. We'll give you more info on DFM, and as well, you'll be able to speak with somebody personally one-on-one. All right, get to it, and we'll see you guys on the other side.